Add Google reCAPTCHA to WordPress Forms with Easy Form Builder. Protecting your WordPress forms from spam and bots is easier than ever. In this video, I'll show you how to add Google reCAPTCHA to your forms using Easy Form Builder. No coding, no extra plugins, just built-in security. Step 1. Get reCAPTCHA keys. Go to the Google reCAPTCHA admin console. Log in with your Google account. Register your domain and choose V2. Accept the terms and get your site key and secret key. Copy both keys. We'll use them in the next step. Step 2. Add keys to Easy Form Builder. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Easy Form Builder, Settings. Click the Google Keys tab. Paste the site key and secret key into the fields. Click Save. Step 3. Create a new form. Now let's build your form. Go to Easy Form Builder, Create Form. Choose a template like Contact Us or Feedback Form, or start from scratch. Once done, you're ready to add reCAPTCHA. While editing your form, click Form Settings, scroll down and click Add Google reCAPTCHA. Step 5. Display the form. After saving, copy the shortcode. Go to any page or post and paste it. Click Publish or Update, and that's it. Your form is live and protected by Google reCAPTCHA. No more spam. With Google reCAPTCHA and Easy Form Builder, your forms are secure, professional, and user-friendly.
If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.